This is a academic budget deck setup as a Nigerian student in a public university. This is my current budget deck setup, which costs below $200 apart from the PC. Don't be a thief. And these items I have reviewed on my channel apart from the laptop, and they are really amazing during my work process as a student in a Nigerian university, and most of these gadgets have been very useful in my day-to-day life as a Nigerian final year student studying marketing. First off, we are going to start with the speaker, which is the Divum Ditto Plus, that costs around $100 or 75,000 naira without shipping. I love it because I can play music while working, and it has this time clock on it, and also it records audio if you're not in the room. It's really portable, fancy, and I also use it for some top-down shots in my videos. And if you're interested in purchasing this, you can use my link in the description box below. Out of 10, I'll rate it a 7. Next up is this mic I'm currently using to record this video, which I've reviewed on my channel earlier, which is the Fine Ampli-Game A8, which costs $55, and it is a USB condenser microphone. And also, this audio you're listening to is unedited. Most of my videos, even the ones I create for Instagram and TikTok, are shot with this mic, at least if you see them in the video. Recording it without editing sounds nice. Most of my videos are not edited, the audios are not edited, so you can see how the audio is really clear. Thirdly, before I go to my laptop, is my table, which costs $3 or around 2,000 naira. If you're in Nigeria, that means you can get it at a very local store or in the market. It is a plastic table, and as a student, you know what it is for. If your parents come to your hostel by mistake, they must see this table, and they also call it the reading table, which I don't read on this table. I use it for work. I read on my bed. The last gadget on my table is this MSI gaming laptop, which is the GL63, which was awarded the best gaming laptop of 2018, which comes with a 16 gig of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage. Also, it has a graphics card of RTX 2060. It's really good, it does the job well, but the battery doesn't really last like that. You know, if you are using a gaming laptop and you are editing from the system, you might have some glitches here and there. But as a student, I don't even play games on this laptop because the SSD on here is small. I know you can upgrade it, but I'm not interested in that. I prefer using a external SSD to store my files and edit from there directly. So if you're interested in getting any of these gadgets I mentioned in this video, you can use my affiliate link in the description box below, which you can buy them on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now.